In this video, we will try to solve a problem on ISLM model. The question is like this. What will be the equilibrium income when commodity market, which is IS function, and LM, that is money market, are in equilibrium in the case when our consumption function is 102 plus 0.7y, where 102 is our autonomous consumption that doesn't depend upon the level of income, and 0.7 is our marginal propensity to consume. Our investment function is given as 150 minus 100i. This is our induced investment, which depends upon the level of interest rate. Also, our money supply is given as 470, which is exogenous in this case, that is fixed by any central authority of a country. So also our transactionary demand for money is 0.25y, that is this is the positive function of the level of income. And we have the speculative demand for money, that is 124 minus 200i, which is the negative function of the level of rate of interest. Rather, we have to find the equilibrium level of income. The options are 1100, 1300, 1900, and 1000. So we will see how to solve this. Now our goods market equilibrium requires that is is equation is given by, that is y is equal to consumption plus investment. Okay, so I will write y is equal to, what is our consumption function, this 102 plus 0.7y plus our investment function is this. So in place of I, we will write this 150 minus 100i, or what we can do, y transposing this 0.7y on LHS, this will become negative 0.7y, and transposing this minus 100i also on LHS, this will become plus 100i, is equal to, now 102 plus 150 is equal to 252, or y minus 0.7y is equal to 0.3y. Since they are the same terms, we can subtract them, plus 100i is equal to 252. This is our, let us say, equation first. Now for LM, that is for money market to be in equilibrium, what would we have? Our money demand should be equal to the money supply. Okay, money demand is composed of two terms, that is money demand has two components, that is the transactionary demand for money and speculative demand for money. So in place of MD, we can write M, that is transactionary demand for money, plus M subscript Z, which is denoted for the speculative demand for money should be equal to our money supply. Now what is our transactionary demand for money? This 0.25y plus speculative demand for money is 124 minus 200i should be equal to our total money supply, that is 470. Okay, now 0.25y, we can write it like this, 0.25y minus 200i is equal to 470, minus, we transpose this on RHS, this will become negative, that is 124, or 0.25y minus 200i is equal to, now 470 minus 124 is 10, minus 4 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, and we have 4 minus 1 is 4 minus, sorry, it is here 470, so we can write it like this. So this is here 4 minus 1 is 3, so this is 346. Okay, so let this be equation second. So we are having two equations. I will write here 0.3y plus it is here 100i is equal to 252, and we have another, that is 0.25y minus 200i is equal to 346. Now we have two variables here. We have to find the level of income. In this case, how do we solve the simultaneous equation in two variables? What will we do? First, we will try to make in both the equations one variable as same. That is, we will try to multiply any of these two equations in such a way that we get one same variable. Okay, so here we have 100i, here we have minus 200i. If we multiply this very equation by 2, that's multiplying it by 2, so we can write this very equation like this. That is 2 into 0.3 is 0.6y plus 100 into 2 is 200i is equal to, now 252 into 2 is equal to, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 5, so we have 504. Let this be equation third. Okay, this was our equation second. Now what will we do? We will just subtract equation third from equation second. So when we subtract, sorry, we have to add these two equations. That is, then these minus 200i and plus 200i will get cancelled. So adding these two equations, what we are left now, 0.25y plus 0.6y is equal to, now we can write it like this, 0.25, we have 0.60, here it is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 0.0, so we have 0.85y. Now minus 200i plus 200i, these get cancelled with each other. Similarly, we have 346 plus 504, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 and the carry 1 is 5, and we have 3 and 5, this is 8. Or we can write it like this, in place of 0.85 we can write it like this, 85 divided by 10th hundredth, so we divided by 100, y is equal to 850. Or we can write it like this, y is equal to 850, and transposing this 85 divided by 100 on RHS, this will get reciprocated, this will become 100 divided by 85. Now we have 85 here, 85 ones are 85, 85 zeros are 0, so we are left with y is equal to 10 into 100, or our y is equal to 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. Okay, so our equilibrium level of income would be 1000. This simply means the intersection point of the IS and LM. This is our IS equation, this is our LM equation. So intersecting point gives us equilibrium level of income and the rate of interest. Because the question doesn't ask us about to find the equilibrium level of interest, so we will not find them. If you want to find it, you just plug the value of y is equal to 1000 in either first equation or in second equation. By inserting the value y is equal to 1000, you can find the rate of interest. Here we have rate of level of income, and on this axis we have rate of interest. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.